To assemble your A-frame cultivator, gather your parts and crescent wrench. Begin assembling the cultivating blades by placing the reversible blade on the standard. Use the 3/8 and 1 1/2 plow bolt 3/8 lock washer 3/8 nut to attach the blade. Hand tighten, then use a wrench to secure. You should have full reversible cultivating blades when you are finished. Next, insert square head bolt 1/2 by 1 1/4 into the adjustment bracket. Hand tighten. You should have 5 of these. Once the cultivating blades and adjustment brackets are assembled, grab your A-frame mounting bar and attach the cultivating blades to it with the adjustment brackets. Place 2 cultivating blades on each outside arm. The cultivating blades' height and width can be adjusted according to soil conditions and width row. Slide the standards on the A-frame to widen and narrow the cultivating width. Slide the standards up and down in the adjustment bracket to control cultivating depth. Tighten with a wrench once you get in the proper adjustment. Finally, attach the wheel assembly to the center arm with the last bracket. Adjust proper height and tighten. The depth wheel assembly is used to control cultivating depth. It is optional. Without the wheel, it is possible to straddle plants to cultivate closely to either side of the plant.